The first podcast, first Y, Gladsaxe Gymnasium, 2015 to 2016. Hello, my name is Thomas Craigheart Sander, and I'm one to tell you about Just Like That by Michael Richards. The text, Just Like That, is about growing up or to be a man. It's about a dad and a son. The dad will learn the son how to be and how a man is, how to be a man. So he take him out to the bushes in Australia to shoot kangaroos, because you have to could shoot kangaroos before you be a man. You are not a man if you can't shoot a kangaroo. So, but this son isn't happy to shooting these animals. It's animals. So, but in the end, he's shooting his dad, and then he's happy because his dad has put a very big pressure on him, and that's very hard for teenagers or children. So he killed his dad in the end of the story, and then he's relieved. Not he's probably more relieved than happy to kill his dad. So, but he's happy that he don't have to shoot any more kangaroos. So now I will tell you about growing up. The thing growing up is a very big definition. You start as a baby or a newborn, then you be a baby, then you be a child, then you be a teenager, then you be a young adult, then you be an adult, then you be a grown up, and in the end you be an old man or an old person, and then you will die. As you can see, growing up is very many. There's very many steps in the thing growing up. The thing that you started as a baby, as a newborn, is a wonderful time. And then you'll be a young child in a children garden, and then you'll be a child in a school, and then you'll be a teenager also in school, also in college, and at university, and then you'll be a young adult also at university, and starting to get jobs. But as a teenager, you can also read to be an electrician, or handworker, or dentist. There's many ways you can read. And then you'll be a grown up, and to be an adult. You have just been a young adult, now you're an adult. You have a job, probably a family, Then you'll be a grown up with probably children in your and a wife, but also grandchildren, maybe. And then you'll be an old man or an old person with probably grandchildren. But that was the last time of your life. So now you prepare to die. Now you will live the last time you have with your family and your friends. So